Welcome back. It's art time, class. Yay. Today we're going to be doing a critique where we look at our dragon in our sketch and evaluate our idea. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So here I have my sketch. This was the idea that we originally came up with. And then here I have my puppet dragon. So the mouth opens and closes. That makes it a puppet. And I can go up and down and kind of manipulate it and move it around. Woo! Yay! My dragon puppet. Let's go ahead and check out if this follows my description down here. So my dragon has a snake-like body. Check. Snake-like body. I agree. Very snake-like. Could be longer. That's okay. I like the way it is. My dragon has 4 legs. Nope. No legs on my dragon. 2 wings? Yes. I have 2 wings. Okay. I have 2 horns on its head. Yes. I did end up adding some horns onto my dragon. I have 2 horns. I have rainbow colors. Yes. If I have time, I think I would go back with marker and add more marker pop details and like the different rainbow colors. So like coming down its body, I would have marker here coming down. And then so on, I would add those different colors. Yeah, add a little bit of blue down here. I think that would add even more like texture or detail. So that's something I'll add if I have more time. Okay, so rainbow colors, I do have that. Oops, mine lives in the clouds. Here, eats rainbow. Check, check. Rainbow appears. A pointy tail. So yeah, it's kind of pointy. I could make it pointier. If I've got scissors, I could definitely point it, or I could round that out. I think that looks cool the way it is. Let's make that just a little rounder. Okay. Looks nice. Pointy tail. Feather wings. I don't have feather wings. I have the opposite. I have bat wings. I have bat wings. Bat wings. Like Batman wings. Yay! So there is that. And there's nothing wrong with not having all checks or, having a bunch of X's or changing your idea. There is nothing wrong with that. As long as you have fun, you were creative, and you tried, that's all that matters, right? Oh, and take a picture of this. Please, take a picture. Take a picture of your paper, your puppet. Some students are going to send me videos of themselves and I've been getting videos of students like working with their puppet or like talking with their puppet. I had one student do 2 puppets and was doing like a little puppet, like I guess mom or dad was holding on to the iPad and they were doing like a little puppet show for their little brother and sisters or cousins. Super cute and adorable. So don't be afraid to send me a video. If you would like to do a video instead using your puppet, you could do that as well. This has been so much fun. So much fun. Till next time, guys. Keep being creative. Bye.